Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to perform a factory reset using the service menu on your TV. To access the service menu, press the Home button on your remote to open the dashboard. Then use this key combination on your numpad, press 4725. 4725, and this will open the service menu. In the service menu, navigate down to Diagnostic, open it, then scroll down to the Factory Reset option and press OK. After that, simply wait until your TV restarts, which usually takes a minute or two. After that, you'll see the language selection menu, which means the factory reset was performed successfully. Thank you for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.